Hi children, how are you? It's me Femina, your social science teacher. Now we are going to start our new academic session. Heartily welcome to all. Do you observe the sky during day and night? Yes, we do. During daytime, we can see the sun. At night, we can see the stars and moon. In our vast open space, we can see the sun, stars, planets, satellites, etc. Those heavenly bodies are called celestial bodies. So, our first lesson is about celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. In this lesson, we will study the new concepts like universe, solar system, planets, etc. Let's start with our new term, universe. The term universe, it is a new term for you, right? Yes, the term in a vast open space, it is above us. We can see the sun, stars, satellites and all heavenly bodies like meteoroid, comet and moon is called the universe. The term meteoroid, which means ulka. The Malayalam word meaning of comet, it is Val Nakshatram. In our vast open space, we can see the sun, stars, satellites and other heavenly bodies like meteoroids, comets and moon is called universe. The term universe, what is universe? In our vast open space, it is above us. We can see the sun, stars, satellites and all other heavenly bodies like meteoroid, comets and moon is called the universe. All of you clear about the term universe? Yes, next we can go to our next topic, solar system. The term solar system, this term it is already studied in our previous classes. You just recall in your mind about the solar system. The solar system, which means the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and all other heavenly bodies like asteroids, comets, it includes the solar system. Term asteroid, it is a new term for you. The term asteroid means, the Malayalam word meaning of asteroid, it is nakshatram poleyulla oru graham. So, our solar system, it includes the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and all other heavenly bodies like asteroids and comet, it includes the solar system. Clear? The term solar system, which means the sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and all other heavenly bodies like asteroids and comets, it includes our solar system. All of you clear about the solar system? Yes, now we discussed about the solar system and the universe. Then next we are going to our next topic, that is planets. Our next topic is planets. The planet, this term also it is very familiar with you, right? Yes. Then what is a planet? You just recall in your mind about our planets. A planet, it is a heavenly body. It circles around the sun. What is a planet? A planet, it is a heavenly body. It circles around the sun. It gets its lights from the sun. So what is the speciality of planet? Planet, it is a heavenly body. It gets its lights from the sun. Planet, it is a heavenly body. It circles around the sun and it gets its lights from the sun. All of you clear about the planets? I will say once again, a planet, it is a heavenly body. It circles around the sun and it gets its light from the sun. All of you clear about planets? Then we can study about the planets. Then how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets are there in our solar system. They are, first one, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There are 8 planets are there in our solar system. Mercury, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All of you clear about the planets? There are 8 planets are there in our solar system. That is Mercury. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All of you clear about the planets? Yes, I will give one easy method for remembering this. My very energetic mother, my very energetic mother just serve us noodles. My very energetic mother just serve us noodles. You just listen this. My Mercury, very Venus, energetic Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, serve Saturn, us Uranus, noodles Neptune. So, my very energetic mother just serve us noodles. My Mercury, very Venus, energetic Earth, Mother Mars, just Jupiter, so Saturn as Uranus, noodles Neptune, my very energetic mother, just serve as noodles. Clear about that? By looking the first letter of each word, you will get the names of the planets. So in this way, you can study the planets very easily. Okay. The next, we are going to our next topic, the summary of the planets. First, we can study about the Mercury. Mercury, the planet, this is a planet, the Mercury, it is closest to the sun and it is called the smallest planet in our solar system and it has no satellites. The first one is Mercury. Mercury is closest to the sun and it has no satellites and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. We are going to take our next planet, that is Venus. Do you know about Venus? Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system and it has no satellites and another name also there. It is called the morning and evening star. Venus is called the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system and it is also called the morning and evening star. It has no satellites. Next, we are going to discuss about the third planet, that is Earth. Earth is called the blue planet and the Earth is the only planet their life is known to exist. The third one is Earth. Earth is called the blue planet and Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. The next is Mars. The fourth one is Mars. Mars is called a red planet. What is the name of Mars? Mars is called a red planet and it has two satellites. The Mars is called a red planet and the Mars has one satellite. I will say again, the fourth one is Mars. Mars is called the red planet and it has two satellites. The fifth one is Jupiter. What is the speciality of Jupiter? Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. What is the speciality? The Jupiter, it is the largest planet in our solar system and it has 66 satellites. So, the Jupiter is the fifth one and Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and it has 66 satellites. All of you clear about the Jupiter? The next, we are going to our next one. Next one is Saturn. Do you know about Saturn? It has rings around it and it is called this Saturn is also called the planet of rings and it has 62 satellites. The Saturn it has rings around it and it is called the planet of rings and it has 62 satellites. All of you clear about Saturn? Next, we are going to our next satellite, that is Uranus. So, Uranus, what is the speciality of Uranus? The Uranus, it is called the outer planet. The Uranus, it is called the outer planet. Why it is like that way? The Uranus, it is far away from us and it has 27 satellites. The Uranus, it is called the outer planet. Why it is called like that way? It is far away from us and it has 27 planets. All of you clear about that? The next we are going to discuss about the last planet, that is Neptune. What is the speciality of Neptune? Do you know about that? Neptune, it is called the coldest planet. Why it is like that way? It is called the coldest planet because it is very far away from the sun. It is far away from the sun and it has 13 satellites. The Neptune has 13 satellites. The Neptune, it is called the coldest. It is called the coldest planet in our solar system. Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. It has 13 satellites. All of you clear about that? So I will say again about the summary of the planets. First we are discussed about the Mercury. Mercury, it is closest to the sun. It is the smallest planet in our solar system and it has no satellites. Okay. Then second one is Venus. What is the speciality of Venus? Venus is the hottest and brightest planet in our solar system and it is also called the morning and evening star. It has no satellites. And the third one is Earth. Earth is called the blue planet and the Earth is the only planet their life is known to exist. Then the fourth one is Mars. Mars is called the red planet and Mars has 2 satellites. And the fifth one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has 66 satellites. And the Saturn, we discussed about the Saturn. It has rings around it. It is called the planet of rings and it has 62 satellites. We discussed about the Uranus. Uranus is called the, what is the speciality of Uranus? Do you know about that? Uranus, it is called the outer planet and it is far away from us and it has 27 satellites. The last one is Neptune. Neptune is called the coldest planet in our solar system and it has, how many planets are there? 13 satellites. Neptune has 13 satellites. All of you clear about that? Then our next topic is about sun, stars, that we will discuss the next class. Today I will discuss 2 question answers on the basis of today's topic. The first question is, what does the universe consist of? What does the universe consist of? The universe consists of sun, stars, satellites and all other heavenly bodies like asteroids, meteoroids, etc. This is called universe. Our next question is, what makes the solar system? What makes the solar system? The sun, the 8 planets and their satellites and all other heavenly bodies like meteoroids and comets is called the solar system. You will get your question answers through the app. Then you must write your notes properly. And children, you have read the textbook from page number 113 to 114. At least 5 times you have to read. Okay. Then have a nice day. Thank you, dears.